Push-up variation 1. Your client's gonna start facing the pedal. They're gonna have their arm closest to the chair on the center, and then their opposite hand is gonna go on the pedal. The pedal is super light, so I'm gonna pull up to support my client, have them walk their feet back into a push-up or a plank. From here, they're gonna bend their elbow to press that carriage down, keeping their stable arm super straight, and then straighten their opposite arm to bring the pedal back up. So we're only bending and extending that arm that is on the chair. Beautiful, Neil. Let's just do one more. Super challenging. Try not to hyperextend those elbows for the belly connect. Great. To help support your client, you're gonna bring your foot back under that pedal. They're gonna walk their feet close to the chair and then stand up tall. Finding their push-up variation 1, we did 2 springs light, but you could always make it a little heavier to give them some more support.